Business intelligence is no longer just about dashboards and spreadsheets. AI is reshaping how businesses gather, analyze, and act on data. In this video, we'll explore what BI will look like in the next decade and why the companies that adapt will win big. The way we use business intelligence is broken. For years, BI has been the process of collecting, analyzing, and presenting business data to help companies make better decisions. This usually meant looking at structured data in charts and reports, and then having humans interpret the results. But as data grows exponentially, this is no longer feasible. Enter AI-powered BI. These systems can learn from your data, find patterns and insights, make predictions, and automate the reporting process in real time. This means you can get up-to-date information on your business as it's happening, allowing you to make faster, smarter decisions. And the best part is that AI-powered BI can handle unstructured data, like text or images, which makes up 80% of all data out there. This means you can get insights from all of your data, not just the structured data that your business is already using. With AI-powered BI, you'll be able to keep up with the fast pace of business today. And if you're a business leader, that means you'll be able to make better decisions, optimize your operations, and stay ahead of the competition. The best BI platforms like Tableau, Power BI, and Looker are adding AI features like natural language queries, predictive analytics, and automated anomaly detection. And companies are shifting from descriptive to prescriptive analytics. That means instead of just understanding what happened, we're using AI to figure out what to do next. For example, in marketing, you might use AI to predict which customers are most likely to churn and then use that insight to target them with retention campaigns. Or in finance, you might use AI to detect anomalies in spending patterns and then investigate them to see if there's fraud or just some other kind of error. And these use cases are just getting started. The possibilities are really endless. And the companies that adopt this technology will be able to make better decisions faster than their competitors. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, keep an eye on how AI is being used in your industry and start experimenting with it today. You've probably heard people talking about AI taking over the world. But what does that mean exactly? The BI industry, which is all about helping companies make better decisions by giving them insights into their data. AI is revolutionizing BI in three major ways. First, real-time analysis. AI can process live data feeds from various sources instantly, allowing for much faster analysis than traditional BI tools. Second, automation. With AI, we can automate the creation of reports, alerts, and even decisions based on predefined rules or parameters. Third, democratization. AI makes BI accessible to everyone, not just tech experts. You can interact with BI through voice or text, like talking to ChatGPT. This means that insights aren't locked in an IT department. They're available to everyone who needs them. So whether you're a business analyst or a product manager, learning how to use AI for BI can help you become more efficient and effective in your role. This is the most important skill you will ever learn. Imagine knowing when customers are about to churn, when they're going to leave you for your competitors. Imagine being able to identify the bottlenecks in your supply chain before they cost you millions of dollars. What if an AI model could forecast trends and recommend actions to take based on that data? It can do all of that and more. And the best part is this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Companies like Netflix and Amazon are using AI to predict customer behavior, and it's working really well. In fact, Netflix has increased their revenue by 8% just by using AI to better understand their customers. The question is, how can you use AI to improve your business? What if I told you that you could increase your revenue by 8% by understanding your customers better? You don't have to be a tech company to benefit from AI. The most important skill you will ever learn is how to ask the right questions. If you can do that, you can unlock the power of AI and use it to transform your business. The future of BI is here. In the next 5 to 10 years, we'll see. 1. AI native BI platforms that require no coding. the platform will use AI to understand your business and generate insights without any code. It'll be like ChatGPT for business intelligence. 2. Augmented analytics, where AI suggests what to analyze and why. This will help you explore your data faster and deeper. 3. Hyper-personalized dashboards for every role in an organization. No more generic reports. The platform will use AI to personalize the dashboard experience for everyone from executives to analysts to engineers. 4. Data mesh architecture to decentralize data ownership. This means that anyone in the organization will be able to access and analyze data without having to go through a central BI team. And with the rise of generative AI, BI will soon be able to simulate business scenarios and generate visual reports on the fly. This will help businesses make faster decisions and stay ahead of the competition. So, what does this mean for you? If you're a business user, you'll be able to get insights faster and easier than ever before. You'll also be able to explore your data in new and innovative ways. And if you're an IT professional, you'll need to upskill to keep up with the changes in the BI landscape. The world is changing, and you need to change with it. If you're a business owner, analyst, or entrepreneur, BI is about to get a lot more powerful and a lot more accessible. The key is learning how to ask the right questions and act on what the data says. AI will give you answers, but your decisions still matter. You can use AI to analyze your business, identify trends, improve your products and services, optimize your pricing, and much, much more. But you need to be careful. There are a lot of bad actors out there trying to take advantage of people who don't know what they're doing. Don't let this happen to you. Take the time to learn how to ask the right questions. Learn how to interpret the data that AI gives you. And most importantly, learn how to make decisions based on that data. This is not a tool that you can simply set and forget. This is a partner that you need to work with closely in order to succeed. If you're willing to put in the work, AI will give you the insights you need to take your business to the next level. So, are you ready to get started? The future of business intelligence isn't just smarter, it's more human-friendly. Are you ready to work alongside AI and unlock the full potential of your data? Like this video, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and comment. What part of BI excites you the most?